My favorite tool on gutter jobs, and this was one of the very first ones that I bought. I tried fiberglass ladders, and Black Friday deal came along and I had to try, and actually they were Werner ones, the old school Werner ones with the blue buttons on them. The Werner ones are crazy expensive nowadays, and these Gorilla ones work just as well. So a 4-foot multi-position ladder, all right? Choose your brand. We have some Little Giants, we have some Gorillas, we have some Werner ones. It's really kind of whatever's on super deal. But I want to show you guys how and why I use these things. So obviously they start on the truck like so. I grab it off, bring it to where I'm going. And if I like a 4-step is my preferred method. You know, it's super easy. Most houses, you're working like this high. I like being able to stand on both. I can squeeze with my legs. It makes it super comfortable. And then as far as cleanup goes, boom, and I'm on to the next spot, all right? Super simple with that. If you gotta extend it, I like doing it this way. Everybody's got different ways. Some people like to close it up and extend both at the same time. I do it this way. I open it up, I just push it, boom, and then I'll come on this side and do the same thing. And now I'm ready to rock, right? Set it up. If you gotta drop it down a little bit, we'll do it like this. Boom, now I can, you know, set it kind of on an angle or whatever I need to do, all right? If I'm working at like this height, okay, so I'm here, I'm up, you know, say it's a 2-story ordeal or something like that. I can be working way up here, work on my downspout. I mean, this is 12-foot ceiling, so I'm up at 12 foot right now. If I gotta go up one more, I can. But when I'm done, I'm coming down, I'm just gonna hit, boom. And she's ready to roll, all right? I love these ladders. You get a little bit acquainted with it and it will make your life so darn easy. I like the 4 steps. Some of my guys, like one of the trucks, they keep 2 5-steps on. I think they're a little bit too heavy. The Little Giant ones are definitely heavier than the Gorilla ones. Some of our trucks, the guys run 6-step ones, and golly, I can barely lift those darn things. I don't like using them at all, but I like the 4-stepper. Super, I mean, and then obviously they do, you know, you can extend it and then you can extension ladder it, right? So envision it being another 6 foot tall. And then you take it down, and that's as simple as holding it like so. Boom. And it's that simple, all right? You get good with this thing and you can conquer a lot of ground really, really fast. So that's my favorite tool to use on the job site. I carry these things everywhere. I'll use it to get on the roof. I'll extend it. I'll, you know, literally anywhere that I possibly can, I'm using these. I think I've got collectively now, I think I own like 25 of these darn things. So I've got a few of them at my house. I got a ton of them here. Every single sales car gets one of these, a 4-step one, because they fit really well in our sales car. Yeah, every vehicle has multiples of these things, or sales cars have one, trucks have multiple of them. If you get good at using it, yeah, it still weighs more than a 6-foot fiberglass or an 8-foot fiberglass, but they store easy and they're much more versatile than an 8-foot fiberglass. So there you have it, my favorite tool on a gutter job site.